How to reset Windows 10 forgotten password without losing data. So if you want to reset your Windows 10 forgotten password without losing your data, then here are some ways. The first way is with Hidden Administrator. So Windows 10 creates a built-in super administrator account in the installation process, which has the highest authority that it can make changes to your system, including changing the password or for any user on your Windows 10 laptop. But the built-in super administrator is disabled and hidden by default until you manually enable it to make it display. So if you've enabled the built-in administrator account on your laptop, it will display at Windows 10 sign-in screen and you can sign in it without requiring the password. If you have ever enabled it yet, now enable the Windows 10 hidden administrator account without login to make it display on the sign-in screen so that you can sign in to perform the password reset. So first sign in to your laptop with Windows 10 built-in administrator and then go with the administrator option, which is you on the bottom left. Open the command prompt as administrator and change your password with netuser and then your username and the new password. Hit the command and your password will be changed. And the second way is to reset Windows 10 laptop password with disk. You have two options. Option 1 is with a password reset disk. If you created a password reset disk for Windows 10 when your laptop was accessible, now it comes in handy. First step is connect the disk into your forgotten password. Then click on reset password showed up under the password option. Then follow the wizard to set a new password, then use the new password to sign into your Windows 10. So these are the two ways. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.